I cannot believe you guys tested the Dyson without me.
Yeah, they told me you left right before I got there.
That always happens. It's so weird. How did it go?
It was great. We did 2 tests. The first was the heated brush attachment.
Yeah, I heard you guys put it up against the Revlon.
Yeah, we parted the hair in the middle. We did Dyson on one side, Revlon on the other, so you can see the exact difference.
Okay, nice, but how did the Dyson do?
The first thing we noticed is the Dyson was much slower.
Okay, perfect hair can take time, but how much better was the Dyson?
The texture on the Dyson side was kind of off. It was a lot frizzier than the Revlon side.
Wait a minute, there's no way? It's $550. There's no way the Revlon's better.
You can see the Revlon side was nice and smooth, where the Dyson was left kind of dull looking.
That's impossible. That cannot happen. How is it possible?
I think it must be really hard to put a vacuum motor inside a heated brush that transforms into a vacuum curling iron.
Yeah, well, when you say it like that.
To do all those things in one product, you have to make compromises, and those compromises affect the results.
So you're really saying that I shouldn't get one?
It's up to you. A lot of people will spend $2,000 on a handbag because it makes them happy. So if this makes you happy, then go for it.
But it won't make my hair look the way I want it to?
No, because if you're only buying this to make your hair look good, it's a massive waste of money.